Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today, I will show you how to turn off trending searches on Google Chrome. Let's go. Whenever we type in the Google search bar, we spot related topics underneath. These are trending searches that show us the most popular topics people search for online. Google retrieves this data from a vast array of sources: news outlets, blogs, and social media sites, among others. First of all, open up the Google Chrome web browser and then go to google.com. Once you are on this page, tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Settings. Then scroll down and tap on Other Settings. Once you are on this page, you'll see an option called Autocomplete Settings. Tap on it. Now toggle off this autocomplete with trending searches. So now all of the trending searches are gone and disabled. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.